Hi everyone, Lauren here. Sitting on the floor looking through books, and I thought this one was really neat. I wanted to share it with you guys. This is Grylls' Survival Skills Handbook, paperback with a little, this is for an older reader. It is $12.99. There's so much information in this book and it was really neat. Obviously that's why I wanted to hop on really quick and show you. So this is all about camping and surviving in the wilderness. Maybe you have a child who's really into outdoors, or maybe you're a family that really likes to go camping and one of your children is not too keen on it. I think this would be a really good book to try to get them interested and wanting to help out more, do like the setup and stuff. So here are the contents. There's camping. It talks about maps and navigation if you get lost. Like, look at all these different types of knots. That's crazy. And then it talks about emergencies, dangerous animals, what you should do in emergencies. So, start off. So it breaks it down into sections. So the first section, like I said, is camping, and then it breaks it down further. Going camping, tents, other types of shelter, like types of sleeping bags. So here are, it shows you where you should set up and how far away your fire should be, and places that where aren't safe to set up your tents, different types of tents, and how to set them up, what happens if there's water by your tent, and what you should do, how to keep water away from your tent. The sleeping bags. Literally, it has so much information, and there's little bear says fun facts on each page. So knives are very useful pieces of equipment, and they require a lot of special care. Some of them are actual facts. This is like how to shower and keep clean while you're camping, where to put your food, how to throw the rope up and use another tree to pull it up high so the bears can't get your food at night. Water and what food is good to bring with you camping. How to start a fire. And then this is all about maps and navigating, how to use a compass. What happens if you get lost. The book is also color-coded for each section. How GPSs work. And then in this section, this is all about the knots, the different types of knots, and why you would need those specific types. Okay, and then the last section, let me get to it, sorry, is all about safety and emergencies. So stay safe in the wild, types of dangerous animals and plants to stay away from, what happens if you do get lost and you don't have enough food to survive, what type of plants are safe to eat and can give you nutrients, what happens, dangerous animals to stay away from, dangerous bugs to stay away from, snake, the different kinds of snakes, which every single time we go hiking I ask over and over again which plants are poison ivy, which ones aren't, because I get so nervous. So it goes over the dangerous plants too. About quicksand. What happens if you are stranded and you need water or you need shelter. It talks about the different shelters that you can build. which we'll get to in a minute. Edible bugs. So here's the emergency shelter, using branches to make your own tent. The evergreen trees have a deep hollow underneath them, and you can dig out a little more space if you have more than one person, and put branches over top to stay dry or to stay a little bit more warm. Like shelters under snow, how you can break a tree and just lay under a tree to stay a little bit more dry. So lots of fun information in this book. That's Bear Grylls Survival Skills Handbook. This is volume 1, and we actually just had a release for volume 2, so be on the lookout for that too. Thanks.